Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Do subscribe if this is your first time here. So today we are looking at this Nissan GT-R. Over here it says the Nissan factory memorial piece, something like that. So over at the side of the box you can see the front of the GT-R and the back. So over at the back of the box, this is the standard information. So this is distributed as one of the souvenirs in the Nissan factory tour. And the regular piece, let me know in the comment section if you understand or you can find out what is the difference between this and the regular release. So over here at the front is the standard GT-R logo, very nice paint job. Two openable doors are the standard, and if you look at the muffler, it is different from the original regular release number 94. So here we have the base plate. This is 2008 Nissan GT-R made in China. The scale is 1:61. So if you have not guessed it, the difference is the white color seats that you can see over here. So in the first release they gave out the Fair Lady back in 2006, and after that they gave out the V36 Skyline in 2007, and after that finally they gave out this GT-R in 2008. So I hope you like my video. Okay, bye.